Hello everyone, welcome back to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to tell stories on LinkedIn that people remember. Number 1, people connect with stories more than fact. So start with the real moment. For example, last year I almost quit my job. Hook them with something honest and relatable. Number 2, show the challenge. For example, what problem did you face? What the lesson you have learned? Keep it short but real. Number 3, share what you learn and end with a lesson. Insight or mind shift that failure taught me more than any success. Use simple words. Write like you talk. Be yourself. Your story doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. At last, don't forget to add relative and hashtags. That's all. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.